Guys, Skip here. Told you I'd be out this morning again. We're gonna start off with something a little bit simpler. My hands and wrists and the arthritis, 58 and stuff like that. I just don't move around so well in the mornings. But we're gonna start with this and see how it goes. Been sitting around here for about an hour waiting for all the cars and stuff to clear out. Hear another one going in the background there with soccer teams and stuff this morning. But it looks like the field's starting to clear out, so we're going to go ahead and get it up in the air while it's the wind's picking up. It was like almost nothing before, but it should be fine. Hold tight. We're getting ready to go. Try and keep the camera on the plane this time. Kind of got a system. If I tuck it and I feel the hat on the back of my ears, I'm usually doing pretty good. I think we can leave the door open. My luck, I'll hit it coming in. Watch. Well, I think we're gonna take the opportunity here since the car's cleared out, and I think I could take off that direction. And my steering's out of adjustment. Probably from a little bit of a rough landing yesterday. Yeah, just a little bit. You know what? We'll just give it a quick tweak. I don't know if that'll tweak or not. Otherwise, this thing gets up pretty quick, so I won't have to worry about it. Throw just a little takeoff flap. With this radio, I only get the takeoff flap, so I don't get full advantage of flaps. That's why I kind of came in hot yesterday. Now let's see our control surfaces. Right, left, up, down, confirmed, right, left rudder. And we got a little bit of a crosswind going, but it shouldn't be a problem. Okay, here we go. Oh, definitely a crosswind. Started crabbing right off the bat. Pull our flaps up. I worked on the roll rate on the elevators last night a little bit, so let's get it up a little higher. And then we'll try to see how she rolls. Still wants to go down a little bit. So we'll give her a little bit more. See if I can do a stall turn out here. Get it where we can see it.
Baseball season is here and summer is just around the corner. So now is the time to get your house outdoor ready. And Lighting by Fox can light the way with all your outdoor lighting needs. Outdoor walls.
See if I can do a slow pass here, guys. I'm going to put the flaps on, see what happens. And white plane, bright sky, it's still hard to see. And she's got plenty of authority should I want to go up. want to get too close here. I got obstacles. Vertical does okay. Aim comes around. That's a sweet little flyer, guys. I don't know how long it's been up. I forgot to set the timer again, as usual. Let's bring it in a little closer. I'd like to be able to see it. See if I do a full throttle pass, dive pass here. That's full throttle. That battery might be starting to go a little bit. She goes vertical pretty nice. Let's check the flaps. I want to see how she just kind of glides. See the glide path on it. Dead stick. Dead stick coming right at me. Oh, guys, since last night I haven't even trimmed this. I haven't hit a single button to trim. Gonna need some power. Make sure we get up over these guys here. And we'll bring it back around. We don't like the sun too much. That's a bright one today, too. You know what, I'm gonna try a landing with the flaps back on. Oh, bring it back over here. Let's walk back down here. Where are you going? Don't turn your back on it. And with the flaps on, you got to keep a little bit of muscle on it, it looks like. She's getting a little away from me there. Take the flaps back off. The wind's having a little too much fun. I might not need flaps, guys. In all honesty. I'll bring her down here a little bit. And it's starting to show signs of a little lack of power here, so I'm going to get on the driveway here and see if I can't get a decent runway landing. Bring it back this way and see. That makes me dizzy. Make sure I leave myself enough run out this time. Maybe I'll hit the flaps at the last second here. See what happens. And flaps down, let's see. And stick the tail. And it bounces a little bit. You know what I think I might do? And that gear held up. I may put those low bounce Dubros on there. Even though it's got a little suspension in the front, it's really not enough. And this thing, when it drops down with the flaps like that at the last second, it just dropped. So gave it a little goose and boosted it through and just kind of let it do its thing, and then it settled right in. So awesome. Nice little plane. I think it would almost have enough to go again. I guess so. See if I can get this just a little bit better this time. Got a little bit of a crab on the landing there. Crosswind. There's a crosswind. Oh, bent the gear a little bit that time with that crab landing, but That's a quick straighten. All right, I think that's about it. We should check the voltage real quick. Just out of morbid curiosity, because we got some good flight time there. And the voltage says, yeah, it's about ready. 11.2, 374, 374, 375. Very nice and even. I could have gotten another flight out of this before it started beeping at 3.5. You can do that with this type of plane. Especially if it starts to die down big time, you can just dead stick these things in. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Beautiful Sunday morning. I'm going to be out here with more planes later, so check back. Fixed.